So I'm in a Zoom meeting, and now I'm the only participant here, but I can add other participants by pressing this more, and uh, yeah, sorry, I can add other participants by inviting others. So I press invite others, and I say, for example, I'm inviting Hani. So Hani will receive an invitation on his phone, uh, for example. Okay, so this is a way to invite others. What if I'm on the call and I have people with me and then I want to mute myself? I just go on my name and I say mute. Now I'm muted. I can unmute. Okay, and then I say, for example, I want to share my screen. Here's my screen. I press share, and then I choose desktop. It says I'm sharing my screen. So now everyone on the meeting starts seeing my screen. Once I do that, I get this toolbar at the top. This toolbar is where I'm managing this meeting, despite the fact that I'm sharing my screen. So people can see my screen, but I can see this toolbar where I'm managing the meeting. How do I manage the meeting? Well, I can pause the meeting. I can actually invite others to the meeting while it's running. I can start my video or mute myself if I want to mute myself. Do anything I want. But at the end of the day, if I want to stop sharing, I just press stop sharing. So what happens is that I go back to the meeting and I can see all the participants in the meeting, and I'm not sharing my screen anymore. What if I want to share more than just my screen? Well, I'll press share, and then it gives me an option to press to share my whiteboard. So for example, if we're speaking about something and I'm sharing my whiteboard, people can see me write on a whiteboard. They can see me draw shapes, whatever you want. So this is another option. Once I'm finished, I just say stop sharing. Let's go back to the meeting. It's as easy as this. Once you're finished with the meeting, please do not forget to stop the meeting. So what you do is you either press this X and it tells you stop the meeting for everyone or just leave, or you press end meeting here, or instead of it, it will be just leave the meeting and leave the other people there. I hope I've helped. This is as easy as that. Zoom is very easy. Just download it now. You'll need it, you'll use it, and good luck.